UCLA is one of the most academically prestigious and competitive universities in the United States. Since 1986, SummerDiscovery has provided early access to an unmatched academic and extracurricular experience for thousands of aspiring pre-college students from around the world, all taught by passionate UCLA-curated instructors. Students live on campus in the same dorms that will house Olympic athletes in 2028. And they enjoy incredible off-campus experiences, including Disneyland, a Dodger game, California's amazing beaches, and a Sunset Harbor cruise. Elevate your academic portfolio and gain that college-ready confidence. Ignite the spark that powers ambition, or feed the fire that already burns within. SummerDiscovery offers an experience unlike any other, backed by nearly 60 years of elevating the pre-college academic summer experience for more than 100,000 students from around the globe. UCLA and Southern California provide a unique backdrop for your summer experience, with unmatched access to many places that allow for real-world experiences in and outside the classroom, with field trips to Hollywood, SoFi Stadium, Mattel, and more. Our students are drawn to the Sports Business Academy, screenwriting, fashion design, AI, robotics, or even surfing classes, while others explore psychology, strategic communications, or careers in medicine. There's also personal finance and accounting courses within the robust offering of more than 70 course options at UCLA. Make this summer a life-changing experience with the perfect balance of learning, growth, and fun with SummerDiscovery at UCLA.